Is it recording?
Yeah, they're blinking.
Yeah.
The hell is that? Is that the last one?
No, they're still coming. We can go in the backyard and maybe get better pictures of them. But they
Do you see them blinking?
Yeah.
In my picture?
Yeah. Well, they're blinking, but they just keep coming. Look through the trees right there. Can you see through the? Yeah. There's like 3 or 4, and some are moving quicker than the others. Go to the backyard. Go to the backyard. Hurry up. Go.
I can't.
That you get a better view that way. Yeah, they just keep coming. There's more and more of them. Hold on. Yeah, see right here. Look at this. They're flying into like a triangle form right there. They're not lanterns. Because if they were because see, certain ones are getting lighter in the way they're moving in the form like that, and some are getting closer and faster. They would all be traveling kind of like the same. But they're blinking, and then by the time they get to here, they go out.